Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to upload longer reels on the Facebook, right? So let's go into our Facebook mobile application here, and once we here you will get this plus icon on the top right side. Now here you will get a lot of option: post, story, reels, live. So if you're posting a longer video, then I will advise you to go with the post section, right? But if you still want to go with the reels, so let's click on the reel here. Now I will select a longer form of video, right? So I will just click on this video right now, and I will click on the next. By the way, you can just edit the reel here, each and everything, if you want to add something more. So I will just go and add my another reel here, and automatically it will become around too long video, right? And then I will just click on done. I will click on the next here, and then as you can see here, you are quite familiar with this stuff. You have to write the description here. You can share it to your Instagram location, each and everything, and once everything is done, click on share. So basically you can upload up to 90 seconds, which is around 1 minute and 30 seconds to in the reel section. But if you are going to upload a longer format, for example it is about 10 minutes or 5 minutes, then you can just go for post section. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.